You guys, you have to check out the new Photoshop Generative Fill. It is awesome. I mean, we've seen AI already doing crazy stuff, but having it integrated directly into Photoshop is total game changer. I mean, it's like you can just generate stuff and it works super well using AI. So like if you have, well, let's just check it out. I'm just going to show you a fast quick video, but I just want to show you how this works because it's awesome and you're going to want to use it right away. Okay, first things first is you just have to get it. So you do that by going to your Creative Cloud app, going to Beta Apps, finding Photoshop Beta, and installing it, and then opening it. I experimented with this image because it has a vertical aspect ratio, and I wanted to see if I could make a horizontal aspect ratio for the same image and just fill it in using AI. So instead I went to canvas size, expanded it to 4000 as the width, like so. And you'll see there's this contextual menu that comes up down here, and this is the Generative Fill tool. Okay, you can also bring it up by going to Edit, Generative Fill. Okay, so create a selection. We can just do that. And we can do this, holding down Shift to make them both select together. And then you can just fill it. You can describe what you want, or you can just generate without describing anything. Dude, look at this. That is pretty freaking good, okay? It continued my fog. It added more trees. It's getting a few issues in here, but like the overall feel is really close. The only issue I'm seeing is that it couldn't follow those vertical trees all the way up. It's cutting some of them off, and it gets some weird things, like kind of like Midjourney does too. But look how close that is, and you could go in and clean up the rest of it yourself probably. But I mean, the overall feel of this is awesome. Okay, so check that out. I want to see and hear what you guys are doing with it, because I'm sure that people are already coming up with crazy stuff to do. You'll notice that it creates its own layer over here, and you can actually like continue to adjust, and there's variations here too. Okay, that one's not as good. First one's the best. You can rate it. Okay, so I mean, that's it. You can just start doing that right away. This is awesome. Thanks for watching. I'm going to keep experimenting with this. By the way, this is non-destructive, which is pretty awesome. I can go back and type in something new here, generate it again, and it creates a new layer that I can mask out parts I don't like. By the way, if you want to download this Photoshop project, the exact one that I used to create the image we were looking at, or if you want to download any of my 3D stuff, here's the actual 3D model of that cabin, and a bunch of other free stuff available for download. And if you need any of my courses on anything related to Archviz, especially 3ds Max, V-Ray, Twinmotion, Unreal Engine, any of that stuff, and I've got Lumion courses too. If you need any of that, check it out as well.